Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. And welcome back, my subscribers. And today's video is going to be about stocks, but real quickly, I have a quick Instagram. It says how to train your brain for success. And it says read every day, write down your ideals, exercise on a weekly basis, health is wealth, get out of the comfort zone. So do something different, challenge yourself, and write down a to-do list, and then take time to relax and reflect. So I like these five steps. So I like to read every morning when I wake up, and then I start writing down my ideals. But every day is iteration. So I'm gonna take a quick look at the Robinhood, see what's going on. Looks like I'm up early. See what's going on here. Okay, some good news. Reuters says risk of inflation or profit engine. Car prices are both. So that's from Reuters. And then Reuters also says pay cut. Google employees who work from home could lose money. And again, this has to do with the remote work, or work from home, remote work from anywhere. I did a video this past week. Please check it out. And then last from Benzinga, Netflix engaged in bidding war for Lawrence film. Okay, so again, Apple getting into the movie business. Trying to bump off Netflix, trying to get a couple new stars on their platform. So that's good news. And then let's get to the stocks. It's a couple of stocks. Yesterday, Coinbase was up 8.75%, and Upstart was up 5.20%, and Square was up 1.93. This is actually yesterday's information. I'm not sure what's going on with Robinhood, but they're not updating. So I'm going to go over to my other account, and we're going to take a look here. Up early is ticker symbol AMC. AMC is up 9.94%. I believe they had a decent earnings call yesterday. And also there's rumor that AMC could accept Bitcoin. So that's another reason why AMC is up over 10% this morning for me. Next ticker symbol we have is FCEL, or Fuel Cell Energy, is up 7.62%. This has to do with the Biden bill, the alternative energies, the $1 trillion bill. Biden is working with the Senate, and the bill should move to the House pretty soon to develop building bridges and roads, and also alternative energy sources that includes electricity, hydrogen, and other alternatives, solar energy, you name it. The green people are having a great old time. All right, my next ticker symbol that's up this morning is ACI, or otherwise known as Albertson. So if you're out from the West Coast, Albertson is pretty popular in the LA Manhattan Beach area. Albertson Grocery went public last year. I think I got the shares at $15 per share. So now they are up 5% today. Again, that's a grocery store. The next ticker symbol we have is Helion Holdings. Again, another alternative fuel. They do helium. I think it's helium or hydrogen with trucks. So check them out. It may be a good time to get involved. At the peak, I think this stock was trading like $44 back in either February or even before that. Let's see. Let's take a quick look at Helion. It's sort of a reboot because it had its heyday. Let's see, a year ago. Okay, so back in September. Oh wow, it was really last year. It was trading at $50 per share. So if you're in now, it could be a good time. The stock could be headed back at least to the mid, $15 or $16 per share. We'll see. If you got to follow these closely. These are high risk stocks. Any of these stocks that are like under $10, high risk. I can't say it enough. Unless something like Albertson it's a grocery store chain. It's not going to move that much, but it is what it is. But this like alternative technology, fuel cell, Helion, Clove, all these are morning pumps, Marin Software, some of the Wall Street bet stuff. What else we got going on? We have ChargePoint this morning is up 2%. So ChargePoint is up this morning. Again, that's part of the Biden bill. I would definitely, stick with Charging Point. Charging Point and Blink are both definitely Biden bill plays. Next ticker symbol, let's see, Upstart Holdings. I believe they have an earnings call this week. They are up 1.32%. So that's ticker symbol UPST. Let's take a quick look at Upstart Holdings and see what the stock is doing. Okay, so yeah, they have earnings call at 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. So about 8 hours from now, they will be on the earnings, telling how well they did for the quarter. I'm assuming they're doing pretty well. Again, this is a fairly new area, and they are out of San Mateo, California, basically Silicon Valley. I root for anything from Silicon Valley because by background, I'm a software engineer. So anything Silicon Valley, I'm definitely a part of. But if you look at when did this stock open? It opened last December at $44, and now it's trading at $137 per share. This again is going back to AI, making the decision, AI platform. The computer now collects enough data on you, and it makes a decision on whether or not you can pay back the loan. They're not as stringent as the banks. The AI, all it looks to see is that at the end of the month, it looks at your bank statements. It digitally grabs all the information about how much money you got coming in and how much money you're going out. It's a simple profit loss statement, and it calculates how much money you have left over at the end of the month or at the end of 3 months, and boom, determines how much money you have, how much bandwidth you have, margin, and gives you the loan. That's it. You don't need people to determine that. So again, Upstart Holdings for the morning is up 1.68% in pre-market trading, and they have earnings call this afternoon at 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. What else we got going on? SOFI, another lending platform, is up 1.24%. So that's going. NUE or Nucor, again, this is part of the Biden bill. We're getting more signatures on the Senate side, and hopefully going into the House. They just signed this daggone bill. So the stock could go up even further. I talked about these stocks yesterday. It's too easy. It's too easy. Look at it. It just looks like it's going straight up. So I got in this stock back in February. I got in about $70. So I got in back in March, February timeframe, and now it's up 30-40% for me. So it was way too easy. You may see a little bit of the other ones, X, which is United Steel. It looks very much the same. Boom, looking like an arrow upwards, even if you did the last 6 months. Back in February, get the shares for about $17.88, and then buy, and now the bill is almost signed. So again, on pre-market, the stock is up 0.81%. So that was my update. My top stocks this morning, AMC is up almost 10%. And again, that's due to the fact they had good earnings, a blowout quarter. They're doing great. The movie theaters are open, and more people are buying their shares. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and leave a comment below. Good night.